Hello everybody, welcome to the live streams of Global Trade Live. Today is first of June and right now we are in New York session over here, pre-New York. Alright, so let's just have a look. Where are we heading? Okay, so it looks like that the today's daily candle has just rejected all the way up and now coming down. And as this is the first day of the month, and this candle just broke the low of the previous daily candle here. So and yeah, this is the support level and it's coming down over here. I think 25 minutes left. Alright, moving down. Okay, so what I want to see is, if the current 30-minute candle breaks the low over here, then I might take a sell trade by keeping stop loss at high of the current candle and take profit as we discussed earlier according to the 4 hours. And if I go to the 15 minutes over here, then 15 minutes looks clean and rejected this area, leave a long rejection wick at this point. Rejected this area also, that means it came down, tested that area, came down also. Previous candles had no wick on the top and the current candle is struggling to go up. Maybe it will be testing this area and should be dropping. And if the current candle drops below this area over here, then I'm gonna execute a sell trade, because that will be the point where it can go all the way down. So yeah, plus the 4-hour candle just crossed below the low of the previous 4-hour candle, also crossing below this lows from the left also, and we have this clean range over here. So yeah, I think it will be coming down. Yeah, it should come down. Let's see here. Gold is also dropping. Let's see what the gold is doing. Alright. Okay, so gold just respected our analysis yesterday. I think today, it's today. Yeah, it's today. Gold just respected our analysis and it just went up as we discussed. So yeah, alright, let's have a closer look with the gold. So I think the idea remains the same here about the gold. We have this resistance at this point, we have resistance at this point, rejecting this area. This long wick over here should be moving down. So once the gold starts to go down here, then I think that will be the point I'm going to execute a sell trade. And if I talk about buys over here, then we have this area from the left and this is another area over here. So I think clean buys will be, oh, this is also an area here, 27 pips. Let's see. Let's just do some fresh analysis here in gold. Let's have a look to our clean areas first. Alright. Let's see here. Okay, so I think gold tried to move up. Yeah, this was the this was the support for this level over here. So now gold just came back down at this point, and this candle is rejecting this resistance zone over here, and it has came all the way down, and if this crosses below the low of the previous candle, then we can move down to at least 25 pips, and that's what I'm thinking about the gold here, that it should fall. But the previous candle is having no wick, so I think I'll wait here with the gold, because clean range is there only. This is the area where we have some clean range. Yeah, so I'll wait for a candle to break and close below this area to execute sells and gold till this area. So yeah, let's see with what the gold is doing in all the time frames. Okay, so yesterday we were here when gold just rejected this area and starts to go up. It went all the way up, and then it just came back down, and this candle is creating an upper wick over here, and this will be the area, because whenever gold has came below this area, then it has touched this area over here. I think this time it will also touch this area, 30 pips. So this could be our target for gold. Let's see here in the 30 minutes. Yeah, 30-minute candle just gave us rejection. Starts to move down. "45 minutes looks good. 1 hour. Okay. 2-hour candle rejected this area so hard. Alright. But I think gold should be continue moving down to at least this level over here, and once it starts to cross this level, then I think that will be the point I'm going to execute sells. Okay, so just cross below this level over here and starts to move down. The thing is, these wicks over here, extreme wick rejections, that's the problem. It just came back down, rejected. This candle rejected this area, broke the low. Yeah, it should be moving down easily now. It should be moving down here. "16 pips more. Already came down around 5.2 pips. So 5 more pips remaining for this candle to come down this target over here. GBP JPY is just rejecting this area. Let's see here. Okay, so it's rejecting the same area from the left. Okay, the 4-hour support. It's rejecting this 4-hour support here. Yesterday also we rejected this area and it moved up, but it came back down, but it did not went to this level over here. Instead it just came down to this level now, and we don't know where the market will be going. If it starts to leave this level, then market can go up, and if this starts to break this level and leave this level behind, then it may go down to this level at least. So gold, today's candle rejecting this area over here. 4-hour coming down all the way to this level, filling this wick. If GBP JPY closes back at the range, then what? Then I think it should be moving up at that point. Yeah, 15-minute candle just closed back in the range, and the current 15-minute candle broke above this area over here. So this can be the possible level of support over here, above which GJ can go up. So yeah, plus we have this clean range above this level. So once GBP JPY starts to uh, leave this level over here behind, then I think we will be having a good opportunity to execute buys. Okay, gold just dropping here, 6.4 pips drop. Right now gold is at extremely strong support level at this point. Really strong support level. And I think GBP will be creating a support, and it will be breaking this support level to go down. Yeah. If not, then we have this clean range to cover up. It can perform the same move like here, can go up, come down and go up. So yeah, that's the case with GJ. So this is support level for gold. Rejecting that area. It rejected earlier and starts to go up. Let's see. So this is a level of this is the level of resistance in GBJPY according to the 1 hour, and once GBJPY starts to go up and leave this break this level, it should be moving up with no problem. And I think that we can see some sort of moves today in GBJPY. Still consolidating. So today is first, second, third. So yeah. Today is third day of consolidation in GBJPY, and I think it should it will be breaking, and then it will be breaking with extreme volume. Again rejecting the same area here. Let's see if we have this kind of move earlier, or yeah, consolidation, breakout. Let's see. Gold moving up. Gold is just moving up. So buy idea in gold will be maybe above this area, and this area. So once the gold starts to move into this area over here, then this can be a pretty good trade. Is all this clean range plus the candle will be rejecting this area over here, and it will be moving up. Okay, GBJPY just starts to move down here. Alright, that's great. So now 2 minutes left for this 1 hour candle to close. Only 2 minutes left. So what we can see here is that this rejection, extreme rejection, next candle can go up to fill half of the wick, and then when the next candle just creates a liquidity wick and break this low over here, then I think that point can be a good selling point in GJ. But only if this candle closes below this range over here. 33 seconds remaining, because if this candle closes above back in the range, then we might see a little bit of bullish momentum here and then fall down. So let's see. Okay, GBJPY just closed back in the range here. Just closed back in the range. Gold just closed like this, again creating this wick over here. So really cannot say anything right now about the gold. Let's see here in 15 minutes. 15 minutes is kind of clean. Let's see. So this is this area of resistance at this point. This is the clean range, and but if we break above this range over here, then this should be the point for gold. And if this candle just breaks the low over here, GBP JPY 1 hour candle just rejected this wick with this wick over here. A big rejection was there in GBP JPY, and 30-minute candle is just, the previous 30-minute candle just rejected this area over here, which can be the possible rejection point with this area. And this 30-minute candle is coming down now, and it's about to break this low over here of the previous 30-minute candle. So let's see here in the 4 hour. Because this 30-minute candle can create this liquidity wick and eventually starts to move up. That can be the case also here. Gold is kind of stuck at this point, going nowhere. Okay, so let's try to get this move here in gold in 5 minutes. Okay, so gold was at this point yesterday, it went all the way up around 140 pips. So, and now today, let's talk about today now. So today gold just rejected this area over here and came back down to this level, which was coinciding from the level from the left. It rejected this level over here, went up again, rejected that level also. I don't know what's on the left, but rejected that level, came back down, retested this level again, moved all the way down, and rejected this level over here, went up again, tried to test this area but failed to remain above and went all the way down. So it's rejecting this level over here now and now moving down. So I think in gold we can see some sort of rejection at this point, but it should be falling back to this area over here. At least it will be touching this area at least. So it came down, retested, again coming down. Yeah, it can go down. So if this breaks at this low over here, then I think that will be the point when gold will move down. Let's see here. Yeah, I think gold will be moving down. Okay, so gold is rejecting this area in the 5 minutes over here. Yeah. GBP JPY also struggling at this point. 5 minutes left for the current candle to close. So what I'm going to do here is I'll wait for the gold to break below this area over here, and then I'm going to execute a sell trade. If gold doesn't break below this area, then and if it breaks above this area, then I think that at that point gold should can move in a buy direction, because look at this, it rejected this area, then rejected this area, left this area, came towards this area over here, now creating kind of rejections here and leaving this area now. So it should be moving down to this point at least, but the thing is I just want to be very sure, and there is no clean range on the left. That's the main thing. If there would have been clean range on the left, then I could have take this entry at this point, but there is no range, clean range. Alright, so this candle just closed bullish over here, and we know that whenever the candle just rejected this area, it has came up to this level at least. So I think once the candle break above this area over here, then I think that will be a good point to execute a trade, because uh, because here's the thing. The thing is, in JPY, it's rejecting this area the third time here, and now it's leaving this area behind. Plus there is this fake out move here also, so I really think that it can go up to this level once the 15-minute candle breaks above this high over here. So this will be the target, and it's around 8.6 pips of the target. If you look at the 4 hour, then it's also rejecting, and 1 hour going up, rejecting this area. So I really think that this could work, but only and only if it crosses above this area, because came back down, created a support, fake out, came back up, rejected this area, next candle closed bullish, support here. So once this candle breaks above this area, then can go up. It's been long time seeing you at NYSC. Yeah, actually, I stopped trading London session because this session is having all the volume, so not London session was not working for me. So just switched to NY session. So the thing is, this candle coming down, it can reject this area over here, right here. And if it rejects this area and moves up, then there's a very high chance it will be continue moving up. But if this candle continues to break this area and starts to come down, then there is a very high chance that this candle can just move all the way down and break this low over here. So right now everything is good, but anytime it can just reject or come back down. So we'll be executing a trade once this candle flips back and break the high. If not, then my bias will be sells only. Look, now it's entering below these zones over here, below these zones. So there is a very high chance that this candle can just go down here. Gold moving up. Gold is moving up. So look, that's the same thing happening. This candle is just coming down now. So at this point, anything can happen. Alright, so gold is kind of moving up here. I am not pretty sure about the gold thing. It can just go up to fill this wick and further up, rejecting the same area rejected earlier. Really not sure about the gold. I think if the gold breaks above this high over here, then there's a very high chance that this candle can go up to test this high. Hello Nishil, how are you? Hi, did you take any trade after stream yesterday? No, yesterday I did not took any trade. Okay, so GBP JPY is coming up. So once it's break this high over here, then I'll take the buy. Okay, gold moving up. Break this high over here. Now it should be moving up. So I think this will be the point over here above which we can take buy trade. Clean range. This could be a problem area for gold. It can come here, reject this area, then came back down. But if it closes above this area over here, this area, if gold closes above this area, then I think we can go up. Okay, so let's get ready. I think anytime it can just break. So I think with volume, JPY can push really up because another idea is in my mind that if GBP JPY just breaks above this area, then it can go really up. Okay, let's get ready here. Just took a buy trade here in GBJPY, and now really anticipating for the price to go up. Good rejection wick here, strong rejection wick on the previous candles also, so really can go up. So this is the position, stop loss under this area over here, and take profits are all the way up this area, 20 pips. Let's see here in the 4 hour. I think 4 hour candle is about to flip up, as this candle has also rejected this area, so it's very strong zone, very strong zone. It can just flip up and continue to move up. Look, I have just kept my stop loss under this area over here, where the previous candle just didn't crossed below. So really think that this candle should be moving up. But if not, then I'll be just managing the losses. Waiting for 1 hour GJ to break above to take potential buys. 1 hour 155.55. I think this area over here. Yeah, that's the good zone over here. But the thing is, from the left, if you look at the left, then this might be a rejection area. So if you are waiting, then just go for a buy trade once the candle closes above this area. So previous candle just made a huge rejection wick, and the current candle is kind of consolidating right now and should be moving up. 28 minutes left for this candle to close. Okay, so we are moving up now, and this candle is moving up with no wick here. So I think if this candle breaks this wick over here, then should be moving up with volume. Look, the gold is just rejecting the same area over here. That's why was not a good idea for gold to buy at this point. Oops. Okay, just broke the high over here. Should be moving up. This candle might just fill this wick over here. How was your previous week? Previous week was not really good because I didn't took much trades previous week because the market was not having volume, so I was really facing some problems with the volume previous week. So that's the problem. I think 45-minute candle is now moving up. Yeah, 155.478. If this 45-minute candle breaks above the high of the previous 45-minute candle, then I think it will be moving up. It should be moving up. Okay, 45-minute candle is about to break the high of the previous candle over here. Once it gets break, then volume can be there in the market and starts to move up finally. Oh, it just broke the high over here. Let's see now. Do you take both trade London and NY every day? No, no, no. I have just stopped doing London session now because of the volume, and I'll be taking trades in New York only. So once GBJPY starts to go up with volume, it should be mirroring this move over here by going all the way up. Gold also moving up, GJ also moving up, 45-minute candle moving up. This area can be the problem, but with volume, if GJ just breaks above this area, then should be go. Right now 3.3 pips profit. I really want this 5-minute candle, 15-minute candle to close above this zone to continue moving up. Let's see here. Okay, I think volume is coming in. Nice. So once this candle closes above this range over here, then I'm gonna take my stop loss below this candle over here. That will be around 3 pips of stop loss at that point. This is the point above which it should be closing. Two minutes left for this candle to close. So now the thing is, if this candle rejects this area and come back down to my entry point, at that point I'll be closing half of the trade. If this same candle, and if this candle closes above this range over here, above this zone over here, then I'm gonna wait for the market to move more up. Okay, it's rejecting that area now. I have just closed half of the trade here. I've just closed half of the trade at this point because it's rejecting this area over here like the previous candles. So yeah, so I'm gonna add more positions once we are moving up. Look, this candle just closed below this range over here. It's coming down again, rejecting that area. Not good. Just close another half here to lower down my risk. I think I will be closing full position, so I have just closed the full position here because really think that it should be coming down at any time, because rejecting this area same as the previous candles did, and I have a feeling that it should be continue moving down. So yeah, look how did I managed my risk over here in this trade. Took a 20-cent lot here, closed first in 0.28 cent, second in this, third in this. Total loss $1 because of commissions. Look, it's just rejecting and coming back down. Yeah, that's the issue. So let me just show you guys the layout of the new website over here. Sorry. It's amazing. Layout is really amazing. Showing this warning right now because no SSL is there on the website right now, so it will be up in few days. Okay. Not so good right now. Let me just open Internet Explorer. Oh, GJ is just rejecting all the way down now, coming all the way back down here. So guys, this is the website over here, and it will be looking like this only. This will be the section for trading course, and all other sections will be activated in few days. So these are the prices. So few features will be added to the website soon, and it will be working perfectly fine in few days and will be running up. So trading course will be accessed from directly from the website, and people will be able to do the course through the website only with the login informations. Let's see here. Website looks good. Thank you. Thank you. Explain something about trading course. Uh, Trading course is, what do we say? Actually, there is nothing much about trading course because the thing is, a few advanced concepts are there related to trading, and everything is same as I do right now on the live trading, but there are few other concepts which which are explained in deeper and more knowledge are about those concepts and given a way of how to implement those concepts in your trading. So like symmetry, mirror images, and more advanced concepts about risk management and everything. So basically, it's the advanced level of the trading I do. So that's all about the course, and freebies I'm giving with the course, like full version of robo and everything like that, indicator robot. So yeah. Plus, there is another advantage that the person who will be enrolling for the course, he will be added to the Discord channel, private private channel of the Discord, so that they can interact with the other students, and they can just share their analysis every day. There will be a free channel on the Discord, but with few limitations. So yeah, and the trading course will be a lifetime mentorship course, so you will be having access to the database for the lifetime. I think I'm gonna execute a buy trade at this point in gold once the candle breaks up with the high over here, and I'll keep my stop loss around 5-6 pips. Yeah, because I think gold should be moving up. Yeah, 4-hour candle is just moving up. Created a support, broke up of this high over here. GBP JPY also coming down over here. Oh, so two trades I'm about to get. So which one should I choose? I should go for GJ. Oh, it's coming down now. Rejected this area, tested. 2 minutes left for this candle to close. I'll wait for 2 more minutes. So once this candle closes bearish and the next candle breaks the low of the previous candle, I'll take another. I will take a sell here. Just need to wait at this point. I think volume will be coming into the market. Yeah, volume will be coming. 1 hour left, should be continue all the way down. Let's see. So the thing is, GJ just came back up, rejected this area from the left, coming down. Next candle, if next candle breaks the low, so that will be the opportunity for us to take a sell trade. 21 seconds more. Let's see. Yeah, I think I just took a sell trade at this point because I am relying on the volume. This should be pushed down. Let's see where we can just put our stop loss. Okay, it's moving up. So once this 5 minute candle breaks this high over here, I think at that point I need to close half. Are you in a trade? If so, how are you going to manage risk? Yes, this is the trade I am in, and what I'm thinking is in the higher time frames, if I just mark my stop loss at this point, then this will be around 18 pips of stop. And 50 by looking at the 15 minutes, it's just rejecting this area and leaving this wick over here. So if this 15-minute candle closes like this, then next candle can just create a upper wick and starts to move down. So to manage the risk here, I think the next 15-minute candle, if the next 15-minute candle breaks above this high over here, then at that point I can close the half and I'll let the half run. So that will be the case. So it's about to close in 20 seconds over here, and I hope this candle just doesn't retraces all the way back up. This candle should be closing below this red line over here. 12 seconds. Okay, so just close below this area over here. Now it should go down. It should go down. I really think that it should be going down. Because look, how we are just leaving these areas behind now. All these areas are leaving this, candles leaving this area behind. First of all, this area was there, then tested this area again, then this is the third area it's in making, and which means that it's leaving this area behind, and it's also rejecting this area. That means it there is a very high chance that this area from this area it will be going down, and we have this clean range to the left to cover up. So yeah. It's about to break the low here now. It should be breaking the low at in the 15 minutes, and 5 minutes looks good. Looks good. And the 30 minutes also rejecting this area over here. 30 minute is also looking good. Okay. Oh, it's just rejecting this area, man. Come on. Go, go, go. Forty minutes left for this 4-hour candle to close, so really. I think at any time GPJPY can just break the slow over here. I really think that long candle will be there. Yeah, go, 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 go. Break the low. Come on, man. Yeah, it just broke the low. It's just creating some room for the trade. That's good. That's good. Okay, finally, I think it's going down now. So we are right now in a volume time, and with volume, it can just starts to go down. This candle should be a big candle so that next candle can continue moving down. 3 seconds remaining. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so 15-minute candle is just rejecting this area over here and starts to move up now. Alright, still got 8 minutes left here. Because I think once this candle just starts to go down, it will be moving with volume. So really anticipating. So now 6 minutes left for the 30-minute candle to close, and it has to come down now, otherwise it will be stuck here and can go up. So there should be some volume now. Thirty seconds left for the 5-minute candle to close. Oh, it's just rejecting that area. Simply rejecting that area. Okay, so it just closed with long rejection wick here. I think this is the 5 minutes in which this candle can just move. Come on, come on, come on. It's not going. It's not going. I think so. I have just put my stop loss at the break even here, and I want GJ to take me out of this trade now, because really I don't know whether it will be going down or not. So yeah. Just closed half here in GBJPY. Closed another half here. So now I have just minimized my risk in GBJPY, because okay, closed the full position at this point. Another trade at break even. So now why I have closed this trade here, let me just tell you. Okay, yeah. So why I have closed this trade here, because look, 30-minute candle is about to close like this, right? And this is really not will be a good close for 30-minute candle, because the next 30-minute candle can just simply go up, right? So plus that means that there is some extreme rejection here in the 30 minutes, as we have just rejected this area earlier. So that can be the case here. So really don't know about this anymore, because look at the 1 hour structure here, it's just not good, not good. So this was the end point here. Let's see, let's see. Because the thing is, in the 1 hour we are still ranging at the same level, so there is also a possibility that this 1 hour candle can close back in the range by giving us a fake out move, and this previous 1 hour candle was there only to fill this wick over here. So really don't know, not sure. So look how I just managed my risk here in the second trade here. This was the second trade. Yep. So I closed half in this over here. Look at this, my loss here. Not even one pip. Not even a pip. Oh, gold rejecting this area over here. Let's see. Let's see. Really not sure about gold. Really not sure. It's moving up, rejecting this zone over here. This candle is about to close in 30 minutes, so if this candle closes back in the range, then we can expect next candle to wake up and finally come down. So gold can move in sell direction. We just need to wait for this candle to close. So gold will be, performing these kinds of moves in the for the next 30 minutes. So really need for to wait for the next 30 minute candle to close. Okay, so look, GJ is creating a upper wick here, and it's coming down now. But really need to be very sure before taking this trade here. 45 minutes, having 10 minutes left only, and I don't know how it will be moving in 10 minutes. 1 hour structure. Yeah, in the 1 hour we can move down. So I think this will be the entry point over here for the second attempt. Rejection, bearish, rejection, coming down. This wick is lower than the upper wick. If this candle breaks the low, we are moving down. Oops. Come on, come on. Oops. Nope. It's not going down. Rejecting this area. Gold is just getting mad. You know, we really need some extreme volume to push through these levels over here because GJ is just not leaving this level. GJ is just not giving up on this level. Okay, it's about to break now. Oh, rejected. Just just didn't execute it. Just entered a trade right here. It should come down now. Oh. Moving down. That's good, that's good. I have just kept my stop loss here for the safer side. It's moving down now. This is what we are waiting for, guys. This is what we are waiting for. Should be just coming down, all the way down. Come on, man, just leave this area now. I think I should be moving my stops here now. Because now we are not anticipating the price to move up. 4.2 pips right now in profit. This 4-hour candle should be moving all the way down. Oops, rejecting. close few positions out of these positions over here uh, to be safe, because really don't want to risk. I think this wick will be filled in the next 4 minutes. I think that. So the thing is, if this candle crosses above its own high, then I'm going to close another half out of this position over here. Yeah, it should be coming down. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Because I have seen GJ to fill its own wick in the last few minutes. So plus, this move was to, remove the sellers out of the game, and it may just starts to go down now. Because I think that this 4-hour candle can just simply go down to this level over here. So yeah. It's just rejecting this area over here. Because the thing is, if GBP GPY starts to go up, then there is a very high chance that in the higher time frames, like 1 hour, this will be a trap, and it has to go up then. Because really was really thinking that this whole move will be, today it will be corrected back, but GJ is just being GJ. Okay, so now few seconds left here. Let's see how much I lost today. Okay, $8 in this account in 3 total trades. Most of the amount is for the commission. I think if GJ manages to close back below the red line over here in the next 7 seconds, then we can really expect the next candle to, move down. Yeah, so it just moved down, but long rejection here. Really long rejection here. And for our candle is about to close here in few minutes, 15 minutes. So now the idea is, if this current candle breaks above the high of the previous candle here, we'll be closing another half without this trade, because I don't think that it will be, going down, or don't know about that. Okay, so rejecting that area, now moving down here. Twelve minutes left for this candle to close, and when our candle, GJ playing really nasty. Yeah, that's true. And we are about to close in 12 minutes. 4 hour candle is still, I really don't know. Maybe the next 4 hour candle can just simply go down. So I'll remain this in this trade here, and I'll try to cash another trade in same currency here. Right now in 2 pips of profit, and mm, yeah, I'll wait for this candle to close so that I can take the trade at the next candle and keep the stop loss at the high of this candle over here. Because the thing is, when the next 4 hour candle starts, it has to create a upper wick, and then it has to go down. So we don't know that how much upper wick it will be creating. So so 5 minute candle just closed like this here. .30 minute looks like this. I have just took another sell here, and I have just kept the stop loss of the previous candle at the break even. I have closed this trade over here in few pips because when I saw at the 30 minutes, then this was not a good point. So I'll just wait for another candle to retrace back and then we'll take a trade. So this is the only trade running right now and which is safe with stop loss at break even. So it should continue more down, then that's it. Because by looking at the left in 5 minutes, then when the GJ will be coming around this point over here, it can just retrace back and then go down. So if this candle breaks its own high over here, then closing half and a little bit profit. Let's see. Okay, candle close with rejection here. I really don't know, man. I really don't know. It's been 2 hours 21 minutes and really just having nothing. So 3 minutes left here. Still at 6 pips. Let's see what the gold is doing here. Oh, gold is moving up. So guys, now I'll just take a leave because really going nothing, and I have just kept my stop loss at break even. So if it goes down, then it's good. If it doesn't, then I have nothing to lose. So managed my trades properly today. Market just not running good. So yeah. So let's take a leave now. So have fun everybody and take care. Thank you for being online with me.